Hi, you are watching final part of Special Briyani series, and let me show you the vegetable biryani recipe. We have 1 carrot finely chopped, few pieces of bay leaf, cauliflowers, star anise, cinnamon, and we are gonna add in the fresh coconut oil. So, saute all these ingredients well under a low flame because we don't want them to be overly cooked. As you can see, there is no onions and garlics here. So now, this is yogurt, and it's 3 tablespoons of yogurt with my homemade masala powder. It's about 3 to 4 tablespoons, and I'm squeezing 1 slice of lemon to get fresh lemon juice. Mix all these ingredients together. Don't worry about the yogurt, it's gonna be fine once we add on the water in. This is tomato with curry leaves, ginger, and I've grinded it to be a puree. I'm adding this into this ingredient so that it will give us a sweet, sour, and a combination of the taste. You have to really bring this to a nice boil so that the vegetables are being cooked. Very nice, right? So now those ingredients, the dish has been mixed into a basmati rice. Add the correct amount of water with fresh lemongrass, and I'm adding some ghee here. And that's ready. As you can see, the full vegetarian biryani meal is served to a special guest. It's our Caribbean vegetarian mutton gravy, baby lona roasted vegetarian prawn, mango salad with puppet.
So how's the taste?
Yeah. Taste pleasantly. Nice.
Okay.
Nice smell.
Okay.
And not too spicy.
Okay.
Yeah, very good.